The uninstalling of Professor Sergi. You witnessed the installation of President Flanagan with pomp and circumstance and 9 horns again and again. So then, you would understand that there must also be a ceremony to disband and uninstall someone at the end, so we can then off east send them and family. So you see that uninstalling ceremony would be less hornered and horned and unadorned, but still heartfelt and warmed. We care for you much. We will miss you much. Even though we have on this uninstalling occasion none of these things Bill Flanagan had. In fact, we have for you no horn performances, no singing in Bombay, no mention of Turtle Island, no harpsichord music, no ceremonial mace, no military presence, no O Canadas, no 7 generations forward and back, no Elder Francis Whiskey Jack, no Cree prayer, no elder moccasins, no greetings from the mayor and government officials, no speeches about education is going to be our new buffalo, no Métis Nation leaders, no organ music, no Gaelic poetry, no cheer song with voices across the campus, and no recessional procession. We are confident that this list of all the things we do not have for you is in fact longer and more all-encompassing than any such list you've ever received before. And there is something we do have for you, which Bill Flanagan also had, which is a video of the event. And it is also of value to have a lasting record of all those things your friends would have liked to have given you, but just could not quite manage the practical production of in the end. Bon voyage. Please stay in touch with us, my friend. And the second poem. Tito Sergi, the most cultured pediatric pathologist, exits east. Go west, young man, the pundits did say, but the pandemic has changed us directionally. And now Tito Sergi is going east, and our cultural quotient has decreased. You may think that I know culture, me, the Leonard Cohen culture vulture, but Tito is thousands-fold more culturally valid. His knowledge of Hildegard von Bingen is solid. The one thing we worked on together with success, a 2020 obit for an Argentinian pathologist laid to rest. With Tito did we most splendidly fix it. The most cultured pathologist knows how to exit and how to celebrate exits.